Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can share your Bigo Live profile uh, to others. So, this is a PC version or the web version of the Bigo Live, and as you can see, there is not much you can do. So, what you can do is just give your ID, share your ID, and they can find you on the Bigo Live app, or you can send a link, but not through the PC version or the web version. What you need to do is, if you have the Bigo Live installed and you use it from your phone too, so just open your phone and on the your profile, the Me tab in the bottom section, just click on it, or you just tap on it. Your profile will open. Then on the top right side, there's a sign. It's icon where you can just tap on it, and a link to your Bigo profile will be provided to you. You can just directly send to your friends or other people, using all the social media like WhatsApp, Instagrams, Facebook, or you can just copy the link and post it somewhere so people can click on the link and find you there. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.